First, move the crosshair to the top left corner, select Area, select To Corner, move the crosshair down to the bottom right now, select To Corner, then change the area to the right size of the quilt. Refresh the screen, select File, Design, Open, Clamshell with Curl, select Open again, and there it is. Then click Repeat at the top, then Horizontal on the right under Repeat Basic, and select Fit to fill the area. Because they're not offset, select the Wrap feature in the top left corner, and then, where it says Row, select the icon where it says Half. This will offset them. Now come back to the top left and select Basic. Then stretch it horizontally by making sure Horizontal is highlighted when clicking Stretch. And then stretch it vertically by clicking Vertical and Stretch again. Now click Wrap again and clean the edges by clicking Edges to the bottom right. Then baseline it up on the top left. It will take away the black dots and clear out what's unnecessary.